Hi everybody, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how I apply my Spectrum glazes, including the floating glazes, by using the spray gun application. I decided to use it on this piece because there's so much texture in the flowers, and I wanted to really make sure that I was able to get in all of these little creases and joins without missing out any of my glazing. The spray gun application worked really well. I'm so happy with how this turned out, and I look forward to showing you. So let's get started. Before I use each of the colours, I do a test spray on a little block or piece of cardboard just to check the consistency of the spray. You may need to add a small amount of water to get it to flow nice and evenly. So the first colour that I apply is Spectrum Soft Aqua at the base. I hold the spray gun quite close and just work in slow, even passes, just making sure that I'm filling all of the little gaps around the flowers and making sure that I'm getting a nice consistency. You can let the glaze dry in between passes and slowly build up the colour so that you avoid the glaze from running, and you're also making sure that you're getting a really good coverage around all of your flowers. This application method is a lot finer than if you were applying it with a brush, so you have to keep applying layer after layer and just building it up so that you get a really nice coverage. The next colour that I applied was Spectrum's Lime Green, and it's just above the Soft Aqua. I'm overlapping where the two colours join and create a nice smooth ombre blend. Once again, I'm applying it in all of the little gaps, and it's a very fine spray so that I can build up my layers to get a nice consistency on the jug. So the next colour is Spectrum's Buttery Yellow, and once again I'm just overlapping the lime green and just working my way up the jug and making sure that I'm getting in all of the little crevices around the flowers and just working my way slowly round. So I repeat these layers until I get a nice even finish. Next, I'm applying Spectrum's Floating Glaze Sunrise, and once again, just the same process. I'm overlapping the Buttery Yellow and working my way around the pot. So you just want to apply these colours the way that you want, and I find that just by picking up the pot and making sure that you're getting in all the little crevices is a really good way to apply it. And just So the last colour that I apply is Spectrum Sangria, and I'm just applying that around the top and the rim and just spraying on some light highlights on here for effect. Once again, I just repeat this I let it dry and then I'll repeat it 2 or 3 times just to build that colour up. For the inside, I'm doing a simple pour with Spectrum's floating pearl white. I'm going to swirl it around the interior evenly, and then I tip out the excess using the pouring spout. This creates a nice clean finish to the inside. It makes it watertight, and it also helps to finish off my pot with that beautiful pearl white colour. And you just work your way around the pot, making sure that you are getting all of the inside with good coverage. So you want to check for any thin spots, just lightly mist them again with the glaze if you think it needs it. Let it fully dry and then pop it into the kiln. I fire these glazes at cone 5, which seems to give me a really good colour. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I hope I've inspired you to give spray glazing a go. It's definitely a beautiful technique for creating an ombre effect, and it worked really well with this texture on this piece.